Hi and welcome to the video demonstration. Uh, the residential control algorithm, we define a column with attribute and lists. We populate the lists of elevator and button. We create the sequence to request an elevator and we call it the sequence to create the element of our column. After that we define an elevator with ID, with attribute and two lists, the panel button and the landing list. We populate these lists and we proceed to request landing with this sequence. So in elevator, we don't need to choose an elevator because you are already in the elevator. So you just add this task to the request landing list of the elevator. We have the sort list. It's a sequence who sort the tasks, and the update lists. He just delete the head list or the achieved task. Move elevator is just increment the elevator position by 1 or by -1 after checking the safety condition. After that, we have the get best elevator. Best elevator gives the priority to the elevator in service if we don't have a best fit. So we proceed to choose the nearest idle. How we choose the best elevator? So we need the idea is the best elevator is the same, it's in the same direction, it's the nearest, but the nearest and the same direction is not enough. For example, if you are on the first floor and the elevator and the second floor, it's too late to call it. So we need a second criteria. It's approaching to the passenger. It's approaching to a passenger. It's a Boolean function or return true or false. If we don't have best fit, so we just took the nearest elevator with the idle statue. It's approaching same direction, get distance, and the sort list. The second algorithm, commercial controller. The main idea it's the data structure, the algorithm structure. We have to define battery. Battery contains columns, so we have lists of columns, and we populate this lists of columns and buttons. We request a floor elevator by this sequence, and we request a floor by this one. We monitor the call button list. Is something like a listener. We can put it in while true and keep running in background to listen to the buttons. We can schedule the position of the elevator. The column, it's an object who contains elevators, lists of elevators. We populate this list, and we call it to create it. We define the elevators with attribute and sequence to check safety and how to move the elevators. After that, we have the same utilities to check the safety. We have the object button, call button. The sequence get best elevator. It's the same, just the priority who differ. After that, how to choose the right column. It's a switch case structure. We return the number of the column, the ID of the column, the sort list, update list, and the testing section. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.